Guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant Vanguard 81 connection error message. First, we have to close our Riot Client application. We can go to the task manager and search for it. From here, you can scroll through the list and find the Riot Client app, right-click on it, and click on End Task. If there are any Riot-related applications in here, end the task as well. After that, we have to search for services. Let's open this up and select any item from the list and hit the letter V on your keyboard so we can go to the VGC service more easily. Double click on it, and for the startup type, make sure that it is set to automatic, and for the service status, make sure that it says running. If not, you have to press on start right here and click on apply and hit OK. After that, the next step would be to search for run. Click on it, and we're going to type in msconfig. Hit OK. From here, let's go to the services tab. Let's scroll through and find VGC and make sure that it is checked like that, and click on apply and click on OK. After you have done that, you have to restart your computer and try opening Valorant again. If that does not work, let's search for Windows Defender Firewall. Let's open it and click on Allow an app or feature from the options at the left. Click on Change Settings at the top right part. And let's look for Riot games on this list or the Riot Client. It is in here for me, and if you have it on yours as well, make sure that it is both checked on private and public. If it is not on your list, just click on Allow another app at the bottom right. Click on Browse and find on where you have your Riot Client on your computer. Just click on Add once you have located it. After that, the next step will be to go to Settings, so search for it, and let's open this one. Let's go to Network and Internet. From the options at the left, select VPN, and if you are connected to a VPN connection, make sure that you disconnect to it and try relaunching Valorant again. If it does not work, let's search for CMD, right-click on it, and run it as administrator. Click on Yes, and the command you're going to type in is sc space delete space VGC. Hit enter, and the other one is sc space delete space VGK. Once it says success on both, you can restart your computer. After you have restarted your computer, let's search for this PC. Let's open this one, and let's go to our C drive. Open your program files folder, and from here, find the Riot Vanguard folder. Right-click on it, and we are going to delete it. If it says it is open in another program and you cannot delete it, Riot Vanguard might be running in the background, so you can check it on your taskbar at the bottom by clicking on this little arrow. Right-click on the Riot Client app if it is in here, as well as the Vanguard. If not, let's go search for Task Manager, and let's find the Riot Vanguard app on this list. It is in here for me, Vanguard User Mode Service. Right-click on it and click on End Task. After that, let's try deleting it again. Right-click and delete. If it is still not deleting, you can try restarting your computer and try to delete it again. And once you have deleted it, let's go back to the Riot Client app, go to Valorant, and you should be able to see the update option, and this will allow us to reinstall Vanguard and might help in solving the problem. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.